This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
In this video, we are going to learn how to multiply fractions by whole numbers using number lines. Wait a second. Can we use number lines when multiplying fractions? Sure we can. Take a look at this fraction being multiplied by a whole number, 1/2 times 2. Counting forward from 0 to 1/2 one time shows 1/2 times 1, which equals 1/2. We want to know 1/2 times 2, so by counting forward again by 1/2, the result is 2/2. So by using our number line, we can see that 1/2 times 2 equals 2/2, which is really just one whole. Okay, I think we're ready for more examples. The number line below shows 3 times 3/4. Let's complete the number sentence by finding the product. To multiply 3 by 3/4, we can use the number line to count forward by 3/4. Counting forward once from 0 gives us 3/4. Counting forward twice equals 6/4. And counting forward 3 times equals 9/4. So 3 times 3/4 equals 9/4. Great, let's try another one. This time, the number line shows the product of 5/3 and a missing whole number, which equals 10/3. Let's use the number line to find the whole number that completes this multiplication sentence. This time, let's count forward by 5/3. Counting forward once from 0 equals 5/3. Counting forward twice gives us 10/3, which is the product in our number sentence. Great! So we had to count forward by 5/3 twice to get 10/3. This means that 5/3 times 2 equals 10/3. All right, let's keep going. Now our number line shows the product of 8 and a missing fraction, which equals 8/7. Once again, we can use the number line to find the fraction that completes this multiplication sentence. This time, though, let's count the number of arrows on our number line. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 arrows. Great, this makes sense, since the whole number in our multiplication sentence is 8. The last arrow ends at 8/7, meaning the product of our sentence is 8/7. To find our missing fraction, we need to see how much we counted forward each time to get to our product, 8/7. Our first jump is from 0 to 1/7, and each jump after that is another 1/7, meaning our missing fraction is 1/7. Okay, let's try one more. Here, our number line shows the product of 2/5 and 4. Notice that on this number line, most of our labels are missing. We can count forward by 2/5 to find what we need to complete our multiplication sentence. Counting forward one time by 2/5 equals 2/5. 2 times gives us 4/5. 3 times equals 6/5. And 4 times gives us 8/5. Perfect, so 2/5 times 4 equals 8/5. Excellent work. Time to multiply fractions by whole numbers using number lines on your own. Thanks for watching.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.